rocking with the greatest, reacting to the old and reacting to the latest. Every single genre that's Birdman's taste. Everybody's welcome here in Birdman's place. Yeah.
What's up, mate? Birdman here. Welcome to my place. As always, thank you for stopping on in. Ladies and gentlemen, you tuned in, and we're gonna dig right in. But first things first, I need you to do something for me. Give me a like. If you're not a member of the Birdman Fam already, do so by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Leave me a comment to let me know what you think of the video and hit me up with a request. And last but certainly not least, relax. Take your shoes off, kick your feet up, and enjoy, because we gonna have some fun today. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, we got a very special request. One of my Patreon subscribers, Hannah, has made her March Patreon request of the month. She's one of my premium blocksters. She's one of my day ones. And this is her customized, personalized request. And the song is by Radio Company. And it's called Sounds of Someday. Now, Radio Company, she said, is Jensen Ackles' band. He plays Dean on Supernatural. Now, I have not watched Supernatural, so I don't know who he is. But I did get a request for one of their songs. Actually, it was kind of like it was a cover song on my last live stream that I did this past Friday. Very talented singer, very talented vocalist. So I'm excited. I don't know, like I said, I don't know who he is outside of the one song because I've never watched Supernatural. So I don't know a whole lot about it, but that's okay because he has a good sound. I like his voice and I want to get this thing started. I don't want to wait anymore. So ladies and gentlemen, the blue light as always in the background is to honor healthcare workers and other essential workers on the front lines of this COVID-19 pandemic. I want to thank you guys for everything you're doing out there. I love you guys. You are my heroes. But let's get this thing started, shall we? Ladies and gentlemen, Radio Company. Sounds of Someday. Let's get it. Okay, now, I'm not sure what style of music they're supposed to be. And the only reason I'm saying this because this doesn't sound like this style of music, but he could be an excellent country singer. He's got the sound for it. His sound has a country vibe to it. He could be an excellent country singer. This song doesn't sound country to me. Now maybe this is just one of the songs that they do that's a little different, like, you know, some country artists do. But he definitely has a country vibe to him, and I'm digging it. Let's keep rolling.
Baby home.
Obviously it's different from Aaron, but I'm seeing little the song that I did, I can't remember what it was on the live stream. I can't remember the name of it. It was a cover. I didn't really get a full feel of his voice on that one. Maybe it's because it was live and you could hear the crowd and there was a lot going on. But this song here, you can get a feel for his sound. The man can sing. The man has pipes. I'm impressed. I'm thoroughly impressed. And the song is, it's intriguing. It's dark, but there's something to it that's kind of drawing me in. I'm really, really, really digging it. And Hannah, I hope I'm doing this justice for you. I'm really caught up in this song. I'm not talking a whole lot. Goodness gracious. Okay. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I can't lie to you guys. You're family. When I saw that song on the live stream, I enjoyed it. I thought he had a good voice, but I wasn't incredibly impressed. Not overwhelmingly impressed. When I just heard this, that changed. This man can sing. This man has pipes. This was a great song. I'm not sure if there's a meaning behind the song. I'm definitely gonna have to look this up, or if you guys know, drop it in the comments below if this song has a special meaning behind it. It was hard to follow. So after a little bit, I just kind of stopped trying to follow the lyrics and started just focusing on the vocals and the musicianship of the song, because it was really hard to follow the meaning behind the song. But absolutely incredibly impressive. And Hannah, I want to thank you for shooting this over to me. I'd love to hear more of their music if you want to shoot more of it to me. They're phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal, and I hope I did this justice for you. I incredibly enjoyed it. I enjoyed the heck out of it. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Follow me on social media. My links are right down here. If you'd like to be a member of the flock on Patreon, get some exclusive content, videos you won't see on the channel, videos YouTube doesn't want you to see that they block, those are on there. You can get early access to my videos. You can get your request shot up the list faster. You can get 10% off of merchandise, which you can find on shop.spreadshirt.com/birdmansplace. Patreon subscribers have a link to get their 10% off when they log in. I am packing as much stuff as I possibly can into my Patreon because I want you guys to have everything you want. We had a nice family meeting with the Flocksters, and I asked them, what do you want for 2021? And they told me, and it's happening. We got all kinds of good stuff happening. We got charity stuff coming. We've got giveaways of stuff that I forgot I had. We got all kinds of crazy stuff coming. Raffles for one-of-a-kind items. Very, very cool. It's gonna be a great year. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Come check it out. It's worth it. Information up here, link in the description below. Like, share, subscribe, pass me around. Let's grow the Birdman fam. Birdman fam flock, I love you guys. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, alright? Much love. Peace. What's shaking, bacon? Birdman here. Welcome to my place. As always, thank you for stopping in. If you like this video, go on ahead and come be a member of the Birdman fam by hitting that subscribe button. Also, make sure you catch the videos on this screen, as well as a playlist of all the stuff I put together. Birdman fam, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.